Something hit me this morning, family. Taking ownership. You ever thought about it? Every situation that we have been in, that we have faced, we have to take some type of ownership of it. It was something that we could have did better. Needless to say, if we knew how to do it or not, there still was a exit or a better way to go about it. And I think about a lot of the situations in my life, people I have been angry at for different situations. And I still back now and I think how I had something to do with this, you know. So I accept my role in the relationship or in the situation that went left field. But one thing that is hard for me to honestly accept is when you bring a child into this world. At that moment, that child is innocent. It didn't ask to be here, you know. It didn't ask to go through whatever it had to go through. It didn't ask for it. And like any child, they will hope that the parents will love them. You know, I get it. You know, you want your mom to love you. You want your dad to love you. You want your family to be there for you. And I think that's the part that got me, because my relationship with my father has never been well. Never. And I can't lie to you and say I haven't had no ill will in my heart towards him because of a lot of the things that he did to me or the things that he didn't do. But I realize now, though, I got to let that go completely. Like, and I even been trying to figure out, like, what did I do? Be born? You know what I'm saying? Exist? You know? But regardless of the situation, I still got to let it go. Because me hating him or having bitterness towards him or anger towards him is not helping me. I mean, it's actually affecting my relationships with the people that I'm dealing with, you know, daily. You know what I mean? If I'm not fully resolving the situation within me. So I understand if you got something that you're dealing with this year, 2019, if you're still here and you're still holding on to it, it's time to let it go. It's time to just let bygones be bygones and live your life. I mean, you can't change what happened, but you can't change what happens from here forward. And that's all you can do.